When there are lapses from the prosecutorial side, in terms of bringing cases to the fore, she had argued, for instance, in her judgment, that there was no intention of actually seeking the truth, that the cross-examination itself was shallow, which means that the victims themselves are also failed by the prosecutors. What should be done from the prosecutorial side, at least, to ensure that when cases are being brought before judges like yourself, that there is evidence, and evidence that is compelling to bring about a case that the judge could say that the case has been proven beyond any reasonable doubt?
We need training of all those that are concerned in the justice system. Remember, it starts with the police when they investigate. They must not stop when they get a confession or an admission. They must still investigate the matter, because we know every day those confessions or admissions get disputed. Then from the police, it goes to the prosecution. They need to prepare. You need to prepare your case before you come to court, because there is a defense counsel who is going to attack it. So you need to make sure that you have prepared. There is nothing that can beat a well-prepared prosecutor or a defense counsel, because as you've correctly said, and as I said, the judges adjudicate what is before them. If a witness comes and testifies and their evidence is not disputed, it is not challenged, we take it that is unchallenged, that is not disputed. So we have to find, and defense counsel will argue, that it was never challenged. Hence, when the prosecutors or the defense counsel are sitting in court, they are not just sitting there, they're making notes. They're making notes about what is the version that was put to the witnesses on behalf of the accused. What is the version that was put contradicting what the witness has said? So that at the end of the day, when that accused comes and testifies, then you are able to say, but this was what was said. This is what has happened. Why didn't you bring this? So if there is anything left undisputed, it is taken as if it is admitted. So I cannot emphasize it anymore that we need experienced prosecutors. But even if you don't have experience, you need to train them. You need to make sure that they are ready, they are well prepared. We prepare for every case that comes before us. We don't have a small case, we don't have a big case, but you have to prepare. You have to research, you have to know the law. So those are the key issues that we need to make sure.